weekend I'm here at Elements on the Dragon, and there are 150 elements here at this Smoky Mountain Campground, and I'm already learning all sorts of things that I need to do or that are going to happen, and meeting other element owners. And here we've got the Honda Element Toaster and Matchbox Elements. Gosh, there's a thing that if I hadn't just bought one, magnetic phone holder, I could have done that. There's a green one, and a blue one, and an orange one, and a turquoise one. And I'm sure that that paint job is not original because they didn't make that color then. Oh. Brave the elements, do the dragon. So we've got toast. These are great. So I think this might be the first run of the Elements on the Dragon. I have joined group 8. Oh my. Dead shark in the ditch. Dead shark in the ditch.
I think somebody flushed it. Came out of one of these.
Oh no. So all these guys are going to run the, and probably those people are waiting to get at the end. Yes. Ride the tail of the dragon. We've got 3 stops, and that guy in front of me has a 360 camera, is what's hanging off the back of his windshield. So he will be filming me as I'm filming him in his Ellie. 221577 is my mileage reading. It'll take this many cars at a time to ride the dragon. already starting to leave. It's like 7 a.m. Misty morning. I figure if I go take a shower, maybe I'll feel human again. Today we are going to a fire tower on a dirt road. She's calling it off-road, but when I found out it was only a dirt road, I can handle that.
It's over it now.
This is Tristan. I'm going to get a video of his roof before I leave. Well, after an hour of driving, we are finally on the dirt road. Going to a fire here for this observation tower. I'm back at the camp now, and quite a few people have left. I met some people that I really resonate with while we were driving around, but I wanted to show you some elemental friends here.
This, optics, right? Fiber optics.
Yeah.
Fiber
It's like the lights had like the 90s. Like you had a little angel, you had like a ball, same thing.
Yeah. This is Tristan.
Hi.
He's from Louisiana.
From New Orleans. Yes, ma'am.
So how do you say that again?
New Orleans.
Not
New Orleans, not New Orleans, just New Orleans.
Oh, well, because people are always correcting me after I went there, and I said, we went to New Orleans. You mean Nolans?
No, it is not New Orleans, it is just New Orleans.
Okay. He's got this Element 3NT. And, let's look at this. Marge the Jeepanese. So Marge is his Element's name. And we've been out driving on dusty roads. So,
Dusty roads and curves.
dusty roads and curves. So show us your headliner.
All right, so inside a couple years ago, I dropped the whole headliner and drilled roughly 200 holes throughout the whole headliner with some high temp glue and ran all the fiber optic lines to create a starry headliner.
Yeah, isn't it cool? It's a lot more dramatic at night. And he sleeps in a hammock.
So I have a hammock that slings to the back and it goes straight up to the front.
And who's to that?
One of our members, Phoenix Gasperini, she created this mod.
Uh-huh.
And
okay.
She has a whole kit every few months, and it has all the instructions how to do it.
Oh, so, it hooks to that thing back there that is like a baby...
Yes, the child safety latch.
Child safety latch.
Yes.
And then there's a thing up in that corner that is the mod. Yeah, well, cool. And I guess I'm showing that well enough. Yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to show off. I could have gone around and taken pictures of everybody's because everybody's things are so different. The Element people have a completely different focus.
Oh yeah, every element's different.
Yeah.
Some are more off-road, some are on-road, some are going fast, it all depends.
Yeah, but as opposed to the butterfly tribe of senior ladies that camp in their minivans and they've got, it looks like that might be judgmental. Don't judge me, folks. Like you went to Hobby Lobby and picked out a whole section of decor and put it in your van.
That's the best. But sometimes you go to the Hobby Lobby and do that.
I think, thank you.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.